Welcome, here I've got Oppo A72 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And as you can see, it gives us access to 4 other buttons. For now we are interested in this one from the right. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on the general settings. As you can see here we have the location function, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. So this is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when you really want to save actual location of your picture, you have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on the location services of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work. And now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to take a photo and check the location. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. And let's go to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get access to the details of this picture. And as you can see here we have the location tags, so greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.